Hello student, good morning students. My name is Betrakash Rao, designation PGT History Teachers. Nice to meet you all. I wish you that you all are fit, fine, healthy and happy at your home and missing you school too. In this lockdown period, we got this opportunity to study through these online live classes. So today I will teach you the second chapter, class 7, role of the government in health. Can anybody two lines say that? What is the meaning of health? Yeah, role of the government. Health means sound body, sound mind. First question arise. Sound body, sound mind. In a democratic country, it is the expectation of the people that government work for their welfare through the provision of education, health and employment, etc. What is health? What is health? Health is a vital aspect because only healthy people can prove themselves resourceful. It means our ability to remain free of illness and injuries. In broader sense, health means something more than this. Apart from this disease, we need to think of the other factors such as clean drinking water, pollution-free surrounding, etc. that affect our health. Adequate food is also essential for keeping ourselves in good health. A life with stress will lead us to illness. Hence, we need to be without mental strain. STRAIN. Thus, good health includes both sound mind and sound body. Healthcare in India. Next topic. Healthcare facilities includes health center, hospitals, laboratories for tests, ambulance services, blood bank, etc. In order to run such facilities, we need health workers, nurses, qualified doctors, etc. We also need medicine equipments that are essential for treating patients. India has no dearth for qualified doctors. There are a large number of clinics and hospitals too. Perhaps so, a large number of medical tourists come to our country for treatment at a reasonable cost. India is the fourth largest producer of medicine in the world and is also a large exporter of medicine. Despite all these, health situation in our country is very poor. The reason is that the government fails to make necessary health care available to all public and private health services. Healthcare services can be divided into two categories. Number 1, public health service. Number 2, private health facilities. Public health services. Under public health services, quality healthcare services are provided either free or at low cost, so that even the poor can seek treatment. Under this system, action is also taken to prevent the spread of disease like tuberculosis, malaria, jaundice, cholera, diarrhea and chikungunya, etc. Private health services. A wide range of private health facilities exist in our country. A large number of doctors run their own private clinics. In the rural areas, registered medical practitioner RMPS, registered medical practitioners are found, whereas in the urban areas a large number of doctors can be seen. There are hospitals and nursing homes that are privately owned and not run by the government. Unlike the public health services in private hospitals, patients have to pay a lot of money for their treatment. Health care and equality is adequate health care available to all. In our country, private services are increasing but public services are not, as the private services are run for profit. In the cost of these services are rather high. Poor people find it difficult to get treatment here. Adequate health care is not available to all in the country. Only 20% of the population can afford all the medicines that they require during illness. It has been found that 40% of the people who are admitted to a hospital for some illness have to be borrow money or sell some of their possession to pay their for the expenses. What can be done? It is the responsibility of the government to provide quality healthcare services to all its citizens, especially the poor and the disadvantaged. The Kerala experiences. The Kerala government has made effort to provide adequate health care to people of the state. Water supply scheme were checked and working of the schools and Anganwadi was uninsured and specific problems of the village were taken up. The cost recon approach. Cost recon, government spent the money that the army would have used on health, education and other basic needs of the people. It provides safe drinking water, sanitation and housing. Some important words. Now write down your copy. Medical tourist, the foreigner who come to our country for medical treatment at hospital that charge reasonable cost. Number 2, communicable disease, disease that is spread from one person to another through water, food, air, etc. Public, a service that is meant for all in the country and is organized by the government, for example schools or hospitals, etc. Private, a service that is organized by an individual or company for their own profit. Next point, OPD. It refers to outpatient department. This is where people are first brought in and treated in a hospital without being admitted to any special ward. RMPS. It refers to registered medical practitioners. They are found in the rural areas. Now listen carefully. Some important, reasonable point and important. In a democratic country, the government has to work for the welfare for the people. They have to make provision for health, education, employment. Health means the ability to remain disease free. In broader sense, it means having clean drinking water, better sanitation, pollution free surrounding, stress free life, etc. We need poor health care facility to maintain good health care facilities